All right, service reset, 2025 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. We're gonna use this button right here. Push that one. Now you're gonna move the display to travel time and distance, then press over to the right. Now we're gonna hold this button down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let go. This brings us to the service menu right here. You can see it says service, reset service inspection, reset oil change service. So if you're getting one of these notifications, we can reset it there by pressing this button right here. This is the OK button. So we just reset service. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to back a little too far. And then we're going to do the oil change right here. Just press OK. That's pretty much it. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, support the channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment if you could.